Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, well, you can hear it. We're working on the 6.0 today. So, if y'all remember the last video with this truck, I have a bit of an issue with this thing death wobbling. So, I'm gonna get this in the shop. Our parts just came in, so I'm gonna get this in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get our track bar out and go ahead get our new bushing in this thing and put it back together. We'll take it for a drive and we'll see how it does. But anyway, I gotta go move some stuff in the shop, but I don't like to just start this thing and move it a little bit and shut it off. So anyway, I gotta get down here, move a few things. We'll get this nosed up in there and go ahead and let's start getting this bushing swapped out. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got the truck nosed up in here, kind of as far as, well, I can get it. But got the jack under it just to give me a little more room in here. I figured that would be nice for doing this. So as far as what we're doing here, not too terribly bad. So we need to get the track bar out from under this thing. So there's a ball joint over here. That ought to be fun to separate. And then over here, we'll have that large bolt that I don't think I have a socket for. So that ought to be fun. But anyway, I'm gonna get up under here. We'll see if we can get that thing out of there. Also, little tip that I learned a long time ago that has kind of resurfaced with powder coating is put your bushings in the freezer, let them get real good and cold before you try to press them. Helps them slide in just that much easier and really makes a difference. So anyway, I'm gonna get up under here and well, go ahead and get after it. All right, y'all. So had to break out the 3/4 stuff for the upper bolt. We'll go over sizes in a moment, but after porta power, a jack handle, and lots of hammering, finally got the thing out. So I'll show you all that bushing here in just a second, but we're gonna get it all set up in the press over here and start pressing that old bushing out. Our new bushing is still in the freezer up there in the house. So we'll get it when we need it and we'll go from there. All right, so as y'all can see there, that bushing is absolutely toast. So we're gonna get it out of here and start pressing our new one in. All right, y'all, so we actually just got finished with this and well, it's dark and I figured y'all don't want to look at a video in the dark. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna go over the tools that you're gonna need for this and well, we'll end it out there. All right, y'all, so it is the next day and well, as promised, I'm gonna take y'all on a little drive here and kind of show y'all. So I just got done rotating the tires. Stay tuned to the next video, we'll talk about that. But we'll get up here to the speed limit. Now, the steering wheel is a little crooked. It does need straightened out, but I don't have to saw at the wheel like I used to for this thing to be straight. Also, I got my arm rested just kind of on the door panel here. But, I mean, no bounce, no, you know, death wobble, no, none of that. So, got this thing all fixed up, and this road is not the smoothest by no stretch of the imagination. There's actually people around here talking about getting a petition going to have this road repaved and, you know, getting it a little nicer of a surface. Because this road is 55 all the way down, but like I said, I mean, all the bumps and the potholes and everything else on this road were, you know, just nice and smooth. So anyway, I'm gonna drive this thing a little bit, take it back home. I gotta retorque the wheels from rotating them, and I'm gonna re-torque everything up front, and well, I'll catch y'all when we get back to the house. All right, y'all. So it is well, it's a few days later. I just got back to the house from doing a few things. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I've been all over everywhere. I've been super busy, and I completely forgot about like 6 videos that I have that are all unfinished. So my bad. But regardless, we got the truck all back together, and it's solid. I mean, I've put 500 miles on this truck in the last 4 days, 3 days, something like that. And I didn't go anywhere yesterday. So, it's just kind of that. But, like I said, the truck's been super solid. Now, I did pick up a new track bar for the truck. Y'all will see it in a video coming up. Not because there's anything wrong with this one, but because I got a smoking deal on Marketplace for a dual steering stabilizer kit, an adjustable track bar, and a bunch of stock suspension. So I couldn't say no to that. So we went and picked everything up, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. So today's Sunday. We picked that stuff up on Friday. So y'all will see that stuff coming up, like I said. We also picked up another set of tires for this thing, which will probably be one of the next few videos coming up here. But regardless, like I said, truck's been solid, drives straight down the road. My steering wheel is a little bit crooked. I mean, that's not a big deal. It was kind of aligned with a blown out bushing. So, we need to do something with that. I do need to take this thing anyway and get an alignment, because I don't know what they were doing, the shop that aligned this thing, but my toe in is way out of whack. And before somebody says something about, you know, the bushing, the track bar bushing has absolutely nothing to do with toe in. And it's very off. So we'll get that situated. I'm not going to film that because it's kind of pointless to get an alignment. I mean, to film getting an alignment. But nonetheless, if I could speak English, that'd be fantastic, I guess. But like I said, truck's been solid. Drives much better. No death wobble at all. Even before we rotated the tires, no death wobble. So, and those tires were pretty badly scooped. So, like I said, things super solid. It's great. So, super happy with that. But anyway, guys. So, with that being said, guys, I got to get back in here, get to work. I've been working on the truck today, as you can kind of see. Now, with that being said, I do have some 6.0 videos coming up for y'all. 2 different videos, picking up some stuff. And, you know, both of those kind of include some updates and a little insight with what's in store for the 6.0 coming up here. So, anyway, got 300 back in the garage there. I got to do a few things with it as well, which probably won't make it on camera. It's just a little cleaning stuff. But anyway, guys, I believe that's going to be a wrap for this one. So, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.